this manga series, written and illustrated by Sho Aimoto, Kimono Jihen is an urban fantasy anime with horror and mystery elements. It tells the story of Kanbei Kusuka, a whole human hybrid who begins working for kimono detective Kohachi Inugami after relocating to Tokyo with him. Hi, I'm Sonia and welcome to our channel US Newsbox. And let's start right into the video. Having endured neglect and cruelty all his life, his relative hands, he finds friends, happiness, and the most importantly purpose while being part of the Inugami Detective Agency. The anime premiered on January 10, 2021. Kimono Jihen Episode 7, titled Home, is set to release on February 21, 2021 on Tokyo MX, etc. and BS11. Aijado Animation Works produced the series, with Mayasa Fujimura serving as the director and Noboru Kimura serving as the main writer. Yugo Mori provided the music for the anime and Nozomi Tachibini handled the character designs. Daisuke Ono sang the opening theme track, Part of the Beast, while Sayasuke Sasaki performed the ending theme track. Episode 6 begins right where Episode 5 ended. Shiki is paralyzed with fear and has a flashback about his mother. He does not have any memory of when and how he has been separated from her, and as he forgotten about it, it can only mean that something terrible must have happened. Meanwhile, Mihiya tells Kabani and Akira that he is unintentionally led to Kanuba sisters know about Shiki's presence. As Kanbani and Akira make their way towards their friend, they are confronted by Momoka. However, Kanabe easily overpowers her. Inside the building, Shiki finally overcomes his fear because of Mihi's going and after confusing Eric's scenes with his sweat. He successfully traps her in his web. He recalls that Inugami told him that he found some information about Shiki's parents, and Shiki declined to listen, saying that he is happy at the agency. When Kibani and Akira arrive with Momoka, he ensures the second Kanuba's sister as well. As Kibani and Ado tries to decide what to do next, Rika shows up. She sucks out both her sisters' brain, killing them. She then possessed to defeat Shiki and Akira. When Kabani tries to attack Rika, she proves to be stronger than even him. Mihiya advises Kanbani to tap into his kimono strength. Kabani heeds his advice and rips out the limbs with which Rikia was holding his hands. Back at the agency, Mihiya finally lets Inugami out. The Bikadnaku tells Kabani to stand down and return, and that Inara will take care of things from there. A day after the incident, a TV news anchor reports to Bugbite Electronics is being investigated for overtime violation. Kabani suddenly remembers about the cone and goes to see her. The episode ends as Shikiya asks Inugami to tell him about his parents. In episode 6, Shikiya's backstory might be further explored. Inari might come after Kabani's life calculus stone a second time. So this was it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please hit the red subscribe button, and your love and support is the only source of our energy.